Hi guys, and welcome back. So after my last video, I had received some messages from people asking about the additional gear that I had mentioned in that video. To be fair, today I'm shedding some light on that. And in the description box down below, you will find the link to my supplier's website, as well as the link to their Facebook page. So this is the lighting setup that I started out with. And as you can see, very simple, very basic setup, but yet very effective. This is something you can set up in less than 10 minutes anyway, in your studio, at a client's home, on location, literally anywhere. This setup has saved my life on so many occasions, and I've literally used it on every single niche that I explored, including weddings. Now, I just happened to fall in love with the umbrellas, because the shoot-through umbrellas, because I like to simplify my workflow. And say, for example, I'm doing a shoot outdoors with a glamour client or a model. This is something that you can literally just grab an umbrella and a speed light and ask your assistant or staff, or even if you don't have any of that, ask somebody to come along, hold the umbrella up for you and your speed light, and you can literally bend light around your client as needed. So I know that you're probably asking why lighting setup, and I totally get that, because natural lighting is available freely. But say for example you're looking at a situation where a client invites you to their home, and that happens a lot with us, especially when they book their lifestyle sessions where they want their children to be photographed in their own environment. Now, we can't guess or hope that there's going to be enough natural light in that client's home, and you also can't tell the client, you know what, there isn't enough natural light in your home. You are a professional photographer, so you need to deliver. And this is where this lighting setup has really come through for me, and I've just been able to focus more on connecting with my client, and little things like posing and the stuff that you really should be enjoying, to make the session a more enjoyable process. Also, something worth mentioning, you'll be dealing with Steve at Camera Light, and I can really just say, he's such an extraordinary guy. And really honestly, like, the best supplier I found online in buying my gear, because like all of you know, in Namibia it's like impossible to buy especially lighting gear. He offers such a personalized service, and really somebody that I can rely on always, even if it doesn't mean buying gear, just asking for advice. Check out his Facebook page as well. On there you'll find a lots of second-hand stuff, lighting, cameras, anything related to photography, because he's a professional photographer as well. So he reviews and he checks these things out before actually putting it online and selling it. So yeah, this is what has worked for me, and this is what I've used over the years. So I do invite you, or encourage you, to have a look at Camera Light's website and see what else they have to offer that might interest you, because at the end of the day we also have different preferences and so forth. But this is definitely a product where you can be guaranteed to offer your client a fantastic product.